Welcome and thanks for stopping by. Today I'll be making mushroom garlic chicken. Stick around, don't go anywhere. Okay, in this pan I have some butter and oil heating up. Okay, here I have one chicken breast that I have split in half. Um, Sorry about the chatter. We're just gonna add some salt and pepper. Put the other side. Be careful of cross contamination. I stuck my hand in here. I'm going to get rid of this and we're going to get on with it. My oil has heated up. I'm going to just add this to the pan. I'm going to turn it up a little high because we just want to brown it. We don't want to cook it for too long because you know white meat will dry out. Chicken breast. When it's about like that, I'm going to flip over and cook this side for a couple minutes. That's about it for these. You can turn your pan down some. And here I have some mushrooms that I've rinsed. They always say don't wash your mushrooms, but I rinse them off with cold water anyway. I just don't let them sit in water because they'll soak the water up. Okay, and here, let me add a little bit more butter. Yep. And don't worry if the bottom is sticky because, like I always tell you, that's flavor. And it'll come up. I'm going to take a few, no more than a few. I'm going to add them into the pan. Depends on how much you like mushrooms as to how many you're going to put in the pan. But we're going to cook these up a few minutes until they start to soften and wither a little bit. I'm going to add a little bit of pepper and salt, not much. So this is what I'm going to do. I have some chicken broth here. Turn it up and add a little bit to the pan. You want to loosen up that on the bottom. Flavor. We're going to let this continue to cook. Okay, they've softened up. That's been about 5 or 6 minutes. Okay, and I have some onions that I've chopped up. We're going to let those do their thing. You know, you want them to soften up. Become kind of clear, translucent, however you want to say it. And that'll probably take about 3 minutes. I have some garlic here that I've chopped up pretty small. I'm going to add some in, as much or as little as you like. And you know you don't want to cook your garlic too long. You don't want to burn it anyway. So make sure you toss it around. Toss it around. Smells like somebody's cooking something good up in here. Okay, that's been going a few minutes. Gonna add a little bit of this and a little bit of that. A little bit of this, half and half. And also a little bit of that, heavy cream. Heavy whipping cream. Gonna let that go for about a minute or so. And here I have some cream of mushroom soup. I'm gonna add into here. Somebody will love you for this. Believe me. Believe me. They're gonna love you. This is pretty thick, and so I'm going to add a little more of half and half. And then we'll taste and see if we need a little more of anything. About a tad bit more butter. And a pinch of salt. A pinch. That's after tasting. You know you have to taste, and taste. Let me turn this down a little bit lower. You just want it to simmer right now. That is so good. So good. And I'm going to have some chives that I've cut. And you can use some green onions or parsley. We're going to use some parsley too later on, but right now we're going to add in these chives. And I've turned it down on low. Taste it one more time. I know what I need. I need some more pepper. Some more pepper. I love pepper. Let me give it a taste. Just a little taste. It's love all up in there. Trust and believe me. And now we're going to add our chicken back in. Get on in there, chicken. Yeah, we're going to let this simmer. Let that chicken finish cooking. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, y'all. This is all ready. I've let it simmer on very low for about 30 minutes I did. And it's good and ready to go. So over here, I have some rice, some white rice. I'm just gonna Mm-hmm. It's a very rich dish. And if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you didn't like the video, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't. Comment if you will. I would love to hear from you. And tap that bell, so that every time I make a video, you'll be the first to know. Okay, and for the last layer of flavor, I'm just going to add some Parmesan cheese. Yep. Ooh-wee. You're going to get rewarded for this. Trust and believe me. Another little shake of Parmesan. And that's it. That's a hearty meal. Well, I hope you enjoy hanging out with me. I had a ball having you here. And remember to pray. Then pray some more. Pray for her. Pray for him. Pray for you. Pray for them. Pray for us. Don't stop praying. Well, that's it and that's all. Where you at? Later.